Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to install Battlefield 4 Reloaded. So for this installation we will need daemon Tools Pro, um, winrar and the game itself. So first of all, I will put the links in the description. Let's go and open Battlefield 4. As you can see, there are three DVD 1, DVD 2 and DVD 3. So let's open DVD 1. Let's open the first RAR file and select this ISO document. Go to wizard and then browse where you want to extract. I will go to this new Battlefield field for reloaded. Okay, and finish. After it's done, after this process is done, I will come back. So stay here. So it's almost done. 1%. Yeah, this is the extracted file. We'll do with the two others DVD like that. So go here. Go here, wizard. Nope. I want in. Where's my file? Wait a second. Oh, where I extracted it. Is this no? Nope, nope. Okay, go and extract here. Oh, desktop man. And click finish. After it's done, I will come back. So this part is almost finished. Yeah. Okay. Let's go to DVD3, do the same. It's very easy to install this game. Really. Wizard desktop. Okay. So I will back when it's finished. So welcome back guys. As you can see, here are the three parts, RLD B54A, B and C. So now let's go open and Diamond 2 Pro. Go to Virtual Device Manager. Check how many virtual machines do you want to have. Close this up. Go to img catalog. Go file edd img desktop. Then go to RLDB54. First of all, go to A. Double click on this. Go to any virtual machine that you want to mount. This will open. Type to choose. Run origin.exe. Go and I want to install 2D games Battlefield 4. Install. Yes, I want. Battlefield 4 folder is not. Just a moment. Just a moment guys, I will back. So no big deal, I will go to install 2 games Battlefield 4. Okay, and go to install. Yes, I want, and I will back when this process is finished up. Be here. So guys, when you are going to this step, we'll ask you for the next volume is required. So go to the MS2, img catalog, edit img, and go for the B. Where is it? Open. Yeah, here it is. Double click, mount img, and here it is, sell. So now I'm going to this browse and Battlefield 4 game, open, okay, and it will continue. We'll back when this step is done. So as you can see, here is the same Linux film is required. Go ID engine, C, mount, go here, browse to this game, and let's put again and put the crack, and that's all. So as you can see, the process is done. Now go to my computer, this one, crack, copy these two files, okay, copy, yes, alright, just let me go where you install the game. I installing games, Battlefield 4, and now just paste the items, replace the file in the direction, and that is. Now the game should work perfectly. Thanks for watching again. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button and leave a comment. And again, thank you so much, guys. See you later.